this is an unboxing video. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got this cute pet TV, and I'm gonna open it like I usually do, 2 boxes. So what you first need to do is you gotta look to make sure it's not faulty, but right off the bat I know it is, because I already opened this and I'm making this video just because. Wow, it's not purple alarm clock. Right, yes, this is gonna be very useful. Yeah. Here's a plug. Now, in a moment. This. Now, what this is going to do is that it will charge a very, very fascinating device, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Very simple. Right. You do it. Alright. Very simple stuff. Plug it in. Hopefully it doesn't blow the fuse. There's a beep. And right off the bat, you see this. And alright, okay, so it's 12 o'clock. 27 degrees. And a bunch of lights. Now what you need to do is you need to read the manual.